got done flying the Femi. I couldn't resist bringing it out again, okay? I'm a glutton for punishment, okay? I couldn't help myself. There it is, right here. I brought it back out. Listen, it flew really good this time. I didn't have, and it's pretty cool out now. It's not real hot like it was the other day, you know. It's not boiling, you know. I flew it for like 15 minutes. The motors just got a little bit warm. The heat sink on the bottom wasn't warm at all. The satellites, I had 17 steady. So I don't know what the deal was with that, you know, that other day. Because, you know, I made them 2 videos. They were both the same day. The one was in the morning when the GPS completely failed. And the other one was in the afternoon, you know, after I went back home, got my bearings, recharged everything, and came back out. So both of those flights were the same day. This is, you know, 5 days later. So, yeah, those were on Sunday. This is Friday evening. So, yeah, it flew a lot better. One thing I did notice about it, though, the satellites did jump in and out when it was low to the ground. Once it got up in the air a little bit, the satellites locked in on 17 and pretty much stayed there the whole time. But when it was sitting there, you know, at like, you know, 9 feet, 8 feet, sitting right here hovering and stuff like that, the satellites jumped in and out a lot. And then, like I said, they were 17 for all this flying around, and then once I landed it, they all dropped down to like 12 and stuff like that, which is flyable, but it does go into the yellow, you know, when it's down to 12. Once it gets past, I think, 13 or 14, it goes into white for the satellite number. You know, it has it up there, and it'll say 17, it's in white letters, but once it gets down below 14, the letters are in yellow. But yeah, it flew great, man. I'll put the video in. I only recorded 1080p. I mean, I was trying to, I don't know if that makes any difference with the heat, but I was trying to keep the heat to a minimum. So I didn't, you know, I only recorded at 1080p, and I just took it up. I did you know, dronies and a couple of other things. I did one of those rocket dronies, but it didn't work out. It kind of started going a little haywire, so I stopped that one. But the regular droney where it goes out sideways and comes back, that worked great. And I didn't go out that far with it, you know, because I'm just kind of leery with it right now. And then I did a spiral, and all that worked out. But the satellites held great. It flew great, you know. I mean, if it would fly like this all the time, I'd be happy. So maybe it's just keep it out of the real hot sun, okay? And maybe I think it'll be okay. I think maybe that sun was really, when that heat was really getting to it, was really making it act up. I kind of think that now, so, because it flew great today. Okay, guys, I'll put the video in. Have a nice day. I'm out here with the Femi X8 again. Give it another shot, okay? I got the screen recorder on this time, so you'll be able to see the satellites jumping up and down. So I'm just going to take off here and fly it around. Yeah, I'm just going to record in 1080p. Hell with it. Now, it's nowhere near as hot today as it's been, you know. It's about 70, I would say 75 or something right now, something like that. All right, looks like a winner to me.